Today I have a new Kizer. It is a Kizer Sheepdog. But this is their fixed blade. Comes with a nice little sticker. This thing is very hefty. I would expect no less though from sheepdogs. Look how thick that blade is. We also have the sheath. Nice clip on the back. Comes with some 550 cord. It looks to be an extra screw set here for the sheath and a cleaning cloth. So you have a very hefty sheepdog fixed blade. The tension seems pretty good, but very easy to pop out when you try to pull it out. That'll definitely be going with me into the woods.